Hello friends, welcome to my social media platform. First of all, today is 26 January. We are celebrating 76th Republic Day. So, wishing you a happy Republic Day. India celebrates Republic Day on January 26th every year to mark the adoption of Constitution of India in 1950. This day signifies India's transition from a British domination to a sovereign, socialist, secular, and a democratic republic. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar's contribution to Indian democracy. So now let us know about contribution to Indian democracy of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, also known as the father of Indian constitutions, played a pivotal role in shaping India's democracy. His contribution include: first point, drafting the constitution 1947 to 1950. As the chairman of drafting committee, he led the creation of constitution ensuring equality, justice, and fundamental rights for all citizens. He strongly advocated social justice, liberty, and fraternity, making India an inclusive democracy. Second point, fundamental rights and social justice. Introduced fundamental rights, that is equality, freedom, and protections against discriminations. Worked to abolish untouchability and uplift Dalits and marginalized communities. Advocate for reservation policies in education and jobs to ensure social justice. Third point, economic and labor reforms. Advocate for women's rights including equal pay and maternity benefits. Led the foundation of Reserve Bank of India (RBI) through his thesis on Indian economy. Fourth point, federalism and governance. Supported a strong central government while ensuring state autonomy. Advocate for a uniform civil code, though it remains implemented. Now let us know about Dr. Ambedkar's impact on present day India. So now let us know. First, affirmative action. Reservation policies continue to provide opportunity for marginalized communities. Second, legal protections. Law against caste discrimination and untouchability have been strengthened. Third, women's employment. His ideas on gender equality influence policies today. Fourth, social movements. His ideology continues to inspire Dalit movements and social justice reforms. Then we know about the contribution of contribution into Indian Constitution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Ambedkar's vision for democracy was not just political but also social and economic, ensuring India remains a vibrant and inclusive democracy. As you know, Dr. Ambedkar is a great leader. He contributes making India democracy, and he gave a large constitution in the world. But nowadays, recently in Parliament, our minister, respectable Amit Shah, humiliate the Dr. Ambedkar. He says, if you all naming says in parliament, आजकल अंबेडकर 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 कहना एक शौक हो गया है। अगर इतना नाम भगवान का लेते तो उनके 7 पुस्त शुद्ध स्वर्ग मिल गया होता। This sentence humiliated the Dr. B. Ambedkar because in the life of Dr. Ambedkar's God do not play any role. He always humiliate in education, in schooling time. When he uh, get job in Vadodara, he have not any room to live here to do his job, and he always humiliated by the upper caste as a untouchability. So we can say that God is not improve the society of India, but since adaptation of constitution in India, near about 85%, 90 to 85% people's life improved to the ideas of Ambedkar and his constitutions. So I can say that Ambedkar is like God for OBC, SC, ST and majority of India. At least our home ministers forgive for Ambedkar's humiliation. Ambedkar humiliation is not new. Our home ministers forgive for Ambedkar's humiliation. Ambedkar humiliation is not new. Later, earlier in their time, when the main government party is Congress, he also do such. So we can is great like you, greater than your God, because God is not play a important role improve the society of India, but also he encouraged to discriminate their followers to Dalits and near about 90 to 80% of people. So on the occasion of 26th January on Republic Day, once again wishing happy Republic Day. Thanks for watching. Thanking for you.